If your bathroom feels ordinary, you're missing out. If your clients crave elegance, you're in the right place. Let's talk about next-level design. Imagine a centerpiece crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, finished in brushed gold for timeless elegance and unmatched durability. This vessel basin is more than a sink, it's a statement. The scratch-resistant, corrosion-proof surface means it stays flawless, even in high-traffic spaces. And with a modern minimalist design, it adds instant sophistication to upscale homes, hotels, and commercial bathrooms. The smooth pop-up drain makes every use effortless and sleek. Easy to install, built to last, and available for bulk or custom orders. This is luxury that works as hard as you do. Ready to elevate your next project? Like this product? Leave a comment below. Subscribe for more premium sink designs. Don't forget to like and share this video.